The 2 Tyres Guide to the Continental TKC80. Continental's TKC80 is the poster boy for knobbly adventure tires. In production for 2 decades, the successful formula is so popular, the tread pattern hasn't changed, only the tire's compound and construction have been updated. This is an extreme tire, you could enter an enduro on them. We don't recommend these if you're a pure road rider or even if you're only tackling light trails. The tire's performance almost speaks for itself, and the wide range of sizes are another one of the reasons this tire is so popular. There are fitments for virtually every enduro, adventure or trail bike from the past 20 years. You can fit a TKC70 Rocks rear alongside the 80 front if you want to improve your bike's road manners but still have off-road potential. This is a popular combination with riders heading off on long trips, to Morocco for example. We hope this guide proved useful. There's more information and owner reviews of this tire on our website, just click the link in the description. See you next time and ride safe.